Welcome to Crazy Indian Hacker. Friends, always buy raw whey protein because the branded one you will get less than 30 to 40% when you compare with flavor coffee or chocolate or any other things. But flavor always chemicals only, so it is not good for health. So my request and my recommendation, always buy raw whey protein. But this is hard to drink, but I will give you in 30 seconds how to drink whey protein, very sweet and tasty, without sugar, without sweet. So I will tell simple logic here, so you follow here, so then it will be helpful to you and it will increase your health system also, because the thing having more calcium and more iron. So let's start. So for sweetener, this is not real sweet, but this is very good. So date syrup, this is date syrup, any brand which is natural. So you can see here, there is no added sugar, there is no added flavors, and there is no preservatives. So use date syrup, any brand, so natural one. So it will helpful to you. It will help to increase your bone strength because it's having good calcium and iron, and your immunity power also will increase. This is optional, so if you want you can add chia seeds. This is optional, but this is also very good for health. So many benefits are there, so I will mention in description and also in video. So chia seeds very good for gym trainers and natural diet followers. Just in 30 seconds you can make very tasty and healthy without any side effects, without flavors. You can make raw whey protein within 30 seconds. So no need to add banana, no need to add mixie and all those things. Just 30 seconds enough. Done.